Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts, the stand bottom cover, the fan, the M.2 solid-state drive if it's installed, the speaker mesh, the stand arm cover, the stand arm, the display assembly rear cover, and the scalar board shield. Removal. Disconnect the microphone board cable from its connector on the scalar board. Disconnect 2 of the 3 scalar cables from their connectors on the scalar board. Detach the retention tape that secures the cables to the display assembly. Disconnect the remaining scalar cable from its connector on the scalar board. Remove the cables from the routing channel on the display assembly. Remove the microphone board and webcam cables from the routing channels on the display assembly. Remove the 3 P2 Phillips head screws on the webcam box. Carefully turn over the webcam box. Detach the retention tape that secures the microphone board and webcam cables to the webcam box. Lift the microphone board out of its slot on the webcam box. Remove the microphone board. Replacement. Position the microphone board in its slot on the webcam box. Reattach the retention tape that secures the microphone board and webcam cables to the webcam box. Carefully turn the webcam box back into place, replacing the microphone board and webcam cables into the routing channels on the webcam assembly. Continue to route the microphone board cable into the routing channel on the display panel assembly. Route the scalar cables into the routing channel on the display panel assembly. Reconnect the 3 scalar cables to their connectors on the scalar board. Replace the retention tape that secures the cables to the display panel assembly. Reconnect the microphone board cable to its connector on the scalar board. Replace the 3 P2 Phillips head screws on the webcam box.